How we doing, my beautiful people from the morning session? It's just me today, unfortunately. Wah, wah, wah. Just me today. Bray, however, will be on at 2 p.m. Eastern. So be sure to join that guy a little later. We eating today. Yo, what's up? Good morning, good morning. I'm gonna crack open a Celsius. Oof. A little sizzle. A little sizzle and an aroma of Fuji apple pear overtakes the room as Alex prepares himself to kill these markets. Cheers. Mm. It's so fucking good, honestly. It is so good. Um, well, I have a alert set here for 30,072s. I'm looking for obviously a swing here to the upside, which we've already made on the hourly chart. Unfortunately, however, that I think that was that was due to news. So it's not like we can do a lot here. Um, the only thing we can do is kind of just sit back and watch and see what 930 does. I see gold long off CPI data low. TP is at the high right now. Look at London picking up on the slang. Boys, my fucking I'm getting fucking sick again, and I don't know how or why. Anyways, good morning to everybody. Good morning, Cyber. Good morning to absolutely everybody in here. Thanks for watching. So yeah, there's just not much to do. I can't really validate a setup at the moment. I can't really validate a setup. What's up, Strosny? There's just one sec. Oh my god. Oh my god. I wish Lil was here to talk everyone's ears off. Thank you. As I sneeze. Um yeah, there's just no valid setup for me. That's the truth. Bless you. Always in pairs. Whatever, bro. Always in pairs. So we've got about 20 minutes until the open. So if you guys have any questions about anything at all, I'd say now's the time for us to answer that. Also, this CPI candle was kind of fucked. I don't know if it went for the high and then the low. I can't really tell. I'm assuming it did, but 210-point candle took out both the high and the low. You have a divergence at the lows with ES as well, which is what's kind of giving me that confidence uh for higher. You can see that ES failed to take that low. So you do have a very, very valid divergence there for a continuation higher. Celsius kicked it. Dude, Celsius are just so good, man. Like, yeah, he's traveling. Yeah. They are, it's just good, man. It's fucking good. Especially like when you're on a cut I'm on a caloric deficit right now, and I can feel it. I've gotten to the point where I can feel it. Like I wake up typically at 8:30 in the morning or 8 if I have to stream at that time. And if I'm on a calorie deficit, bro, like I'll have a small breakfast and then by like lunchtime I'm like tired. What kind of setup are you waiting for? Um, oof, that's a good question, bro. What's up, CF? What's up, everybody? Yo, what's up, Ronnie? I mean, if we can just get back down here, take out this low, I think that would be ideal. But yeah, I don't know. We'll see. Today's more of a I have to wait and see what kind of information we get at 9:30 as opposed to trying to guess or take anything uh that has not presented itself, to be honest. I'm not gonna lie to you. There is no valid setup. I don't see any valid setup unless you're trading. Lost my TPT live accounts as trading and got banned by them. But Lucid Daily accounts are literally identical, which is good. Yeah. What's it called? What was I gonna say? Fuck, I was gonna say something. Unless you're trading like fucking VWAP or something. But even then, um, there's just nothing of quality here. Honestly, and I say this, if you're trading this after this, I don't think there's anything, any move that you can tell me to justify that trade. I'm gonna be honest with you. There's nothing after an 831 that tells me there's anything valid. Would consider long-term investment in Celsius is good if they somehow manage to put AI in these drinks. Sure. Didn't realize there were any accounts like TPTs with the uncapped payouts and daily payouts, but Lucid came in clutch. Yeah, if you guys don't know, Lucid actually does have the daily payout uh, accounts as well. So those are my favorite type of accounts. Just because I'm not gonna sit here and lie to you guys. Like I'm consistently seeking, I guess not reward, but I guess something that'll tell me that something's doing good, right? And so an account, what's it called? An account that literally pays you. Oh, perfect. Thank you, bot. Um, an account that literally pays you every day. The 50Ks are what? Profit target 3,000, max loss limit 2,000, and then you can pick end of day or intraday with a daily loss limit off. It's like 135 bucks. So you don't get a daily loss limit. Your drawdown and eval is end of day. Your consistency is only 50%, and it's 135 bucks. What are your favorite props? Lucid, TPT. Honestly, just the top three. I know Kane's really been liking Funded Next. I absolutely love daily payout accounts. They're the fucking best, bro. It's the closest thing to a live account. That's why. That's why you love them. Yeah, it is. It is the closest thing to what's it called? To a live account. And speaking of live accounts, um, I just set up another one. I put like 10K in there. So we're gonna try and run this shit up. I'm gonna keep it a buck. We're gonna try to run that shit up. For the one time, I haven't done a live account in a minute, to be honest. I was doing a live account, but it only had about like I think 4K in it, and I was trading one micro. But this one we've got 10K in there. We're going to we're gonna see what's up. What is your risk per trade on a live account? 3%. So in this case, $300 per trade on the 10K live account. Which is whatever, a bit aggressive, but I don't care. 3% is good for me. That's my TP. What's the worst stop sequence that you had on your strategy? You mean, um, I guess like number of losing trades? Probably like seven, 6, 7. But Alex, what's the highest amount of minis you place in a trade? Oh, bro. I'd say on a live account, 25. And that was like, I was like sweating. Like I felt fucking nauseous, sick to my stomach type shit. Has the majority of your money come from props? Yeah. Yeah. Props are the way, man. I'm not gonna lie to you. Like, props are the way. I do like trading a live account sometimes. Just cause you can really, at least with my strategy, did you win? Yo, it's no, not my TP. That I think that was London's. Um, I got a really big payout from Top Step. I've gotten good payouts from TPT. I've gotten good payouts from this firm back in the day called ETF. They actually surprisingly paid me out. Drop some account, drop some accounts. Alex blow my account today. I'm sorry, Zach. I'll think about it. But you need to hold yourself accountable. Can you explain what's the essence of your strategy? Sure. That's candle number one. It's candle number two. Candle number two sweeps candle number one's low. And then candle number three expands. So one, two, three. And then somewhere within this wick of candle number two, there's an order block. And I look to position myself in that order block. You get 50K accounts or go for bigger accounts? 50K. 50Ks are my favorite. I mean, the trade you put 25 minis. Oh, was it a win? I think so. It was a pretty small win though, because I was so nervous. I ended up closing it early, if I remember correctly. What's your average RR and which time frame do you trade? 1.1.77 is my average RR. And which time I trade the 15-second to the 30-second. Drink a music with the questions today. I love it. You can come, baby. Boys, 3.336K followers on Instagram. I appreciate you guys so much. Just slowly nudging towards 5K. I'm so excited. Yo, what's up, Dev? Win rate? I'm gonna cap. I'm just kidding. It's like 48%. In this case, you look for the alignment on the higher time frame or you look at the 15-minute? Yep. That is exactly it. That is exactly it. I just can't really justify any longs from this high. Thank you. Alex, my pleasure to ask your expertise. Thank you. Yeah, yeah. No, any questions, let me know. Anything else? What's up, Matrix? Mr. Matrix. Boys, that Celsius is giving me fucking life. It's crazy. What are you drinking? I'm drinking a Fuji apple pear Celsius. Fuji apple pear. or 5 minutes and 30 seconds till the open. Sounds yum. Dude, it's so good, honestly. But I know a lot of people don't like, I guess, orange flavored things. People like oranges, but they don't like orange flavored things. I love the orange Celsius, man. It honestly tastes so good. Fuck. I hate getting sick, man. Bonita app. Well, everyone hates it. So, how's your exercise everyday personal challenge going? Dude, it's good. It's good. I've done it every day. So, I'm just following a simple routine. What is it, Celsius? Is it like a Red Bull? Yeah, it's a energy drink, yeah. All right, boys, we'll see what they do at the open. There's nothing valid for me here. And as much as I want to put on a trade just to show you guys something, the reality is I'm not gonna rush into a trade just to rush into it. I'm just gonna have to wait. Have you tried Newtonic? No, I've not. May I ask what kind of indicators are you using? I don't use any indicators apart from the overnight session, and the Power of Three Pro, which is basically a Power of Three higher time for candle. That's about it. I don't use anything else. Well, sometimes occasionally, like I'll use the 30-second OR just to get an idea of where things are. But yeah, this is pretty much the only one that I use. They're not bad. I enjoy them, but not too many in stores. Yeah, that's right. I mean, where are you from, Cyber? I actually have legs today, so I'm gonna hit legs after market close. UK. Yeah, you guys don't have Celsius in the UK, right? I think I saw a couple. It'd be nice if they brought it back down into a discount, but I doubt that's going to be the case here. I think they might just run it up towards the high. Run it up. Yeah. Leaving no. No stone left unkept. It's starting to tap into the 30,000s too. At least give me a low. It's the least you could do. Give me a low. Let's see. Oh my God, they literally bought up that low like crazy. Holy shit. You in gold today, Leo? I'm not Leo. I'm Alex. What? Hello. Oh shit. What time is it? That tonight's gonna be a good night. I have a feeling they just dropped this from here, boys. I'm just kidding. Let's see if we get into a discount of the range. That'd be nice. Discount of the range is what I'm waiting for. Uh, see if we get some longs there. That'd be nice. It is looking quite bearish. It is looking quite bearish. 932. It will go to this bottom of the CPI candle. Yeah. We'll see what they do here with this print. Um, but yeah, it does look pretty strong here to the downside. 10 nights the night. Let's give it up. My soda and pick it up. I'm gonna say you guys know what song I'm talking about? Fill up my cup, Mazel Tov. Okay. Interesting pop there. We gotta rock. Here we go. Easy go. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, something. Yeah, boys. I don't know. I'm not seeing anything. We tapped into a discount, sure. I think they're just gonna redistribute this into the lows. I'm gonna be honest with you. Um, I want to see. I mean, if we get a closure above, this is what I'm looking for, right? In a bullish scenario. If we get a closure above near the 892s, I'll consider some longs. That's the truth. But for right now, this looks pretty strong to the downside. It looks like sell side is continuing here. You're not getting any strong bids as far as I'm concerned. But yeah, that's mainly what I'm looking for here. 909s or 905s, sorry. We can give it a try. All right, my limits are set at 905. Stop is at the 880 low. Let's see if we get tagged in. Actually, nah, I'm gonna cancel those. I don't think I'm gonna get filled on these, unfortunately. Nine 37. Shark bait. Hoo ha ha. Okay. All right. Fuck it. 905s. Here we go. Short of the weekly void. Nice. Hey, it happens, man. Honestly, it happens. Fill up my cup. Mazel tov. I'm not gonna lie to you boys. I flipped. But holy shit. Does this fucking suck? Nine 41, 4 minutes till the next. Well, 3 minutes, 30 seconds till the next 15-minute candle. What's ES doing? Nothing for me here yet, boys. I feel like they want to go for the print low, but this thing is just kind of consolidating here. It's a bit scary, to be honest. Literally only have edge at New York Open. Yeah, fair. Fairs. I feel like they're just max painting this right now. They're just like max painting the fuck out of this. Do we have any more news today? Oh shit. I see. See if they drop it here. Let's not see if they drop it here. LOL. Yeah, max pain would be, I guess, the high. Rip. Yeah, but they could still defend this, right? ES took that low. What are you referring to? Just price, man. Like defending is almost like there's just a bunch of orders being placed there. I don't know. I feel like they still want to drop this, but they're just gonna max paint it. So they're gonna probably take it to the high. Boys, I have no idea. This looks a little crazy to me. ES took that low. NQ did not. I don't know what they want to do with this, to be honest. Long until previous week high. Fair, fair, bro. Yeah, I mean they did take it to a discount where I wanted to, but it just looked so horrible down here. Holy shit. Mitigation block here, yeah. gonna short the 15s, honestly. All right, so I'm short the 15s. Got tagged in there. Stop is at the 937. I'm just gonna look to target the low. Just want to see if we can impulse there lower. These fuckers, man. I won't look to TP at that low. I'm just going to trail to it if possible. If we get into the set after taking this low at 85, I think we'll go break even. All right, I'm break even here. Come on, give us a nice continuation. Don't be like that. Break even here nearly at the 12s, just about. Just to get a couple extra points. Give us a nice little impulse here. Come on. There you go. Just to get us into the lows. But yeah, like I said, I'm not gonna TP at the low. I'm just gonna have I'm just gonna trail my stop aggressively if I can. The only trade that matters is the next one, boys. Three minutes till 10 o'clock. Come on, NQ. Don't be like that. Really? So it's failing to take the low here. Boys, days like today are just so shitty, man. Two minutes left till 10 a.m. Yeah, it looks like it might stop me. My stop is at 9:10. We'll see. Not to be a negative Nancy, but wow. Just wow, man. Wow. Break even there. That is crazy. That is fucking crazy, bro. That's nuts, actually. It's a little tilting, not gonna lie. I won't lie to you guys. That is a little tilting. Run it back. Dude. That is a little tilting, boys. Wow. That is crazy. Here comes 10. Are you for real? I hope 10 dumps still CPI low. Boys, I'm a little pressed. I'm not gonna lie. I am a little pressed. We're still in a market maker buy model. I don't know. I don't know. That's the truth. I don't know. I thought it was going to take the low there while I was in my short, obviously, but it didn't. So yeah, I don't know. I don't even know anymore. I don't even know. That shit's just so sad to me. Sad, sad, sad. Sad, sad, sad is what it is. But it's okay. Yeah, at this point, it feels like it could really just go either way. So I'm trying the same entry again. Good luck, brother. Dude, I don't know. I don't know, boys. Honestly, no idea. I'll kind of like just let him do whatever. I have no read on this whatsoever. I was under the impression we were going to get a really nice expansion beyond that low, but I think it might just be at a time where, uh, you know, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. Talk about you managed to tilt feeling. Um, I mean, I just try to not try to ignore it, but I'm just like, it's not. I keep telling myself in my head like, there's always tomorrow, right? Like, there's always tomorrow. That's the truth. There is always tomorrow. So it's not like I have to pick and choose a battle today. There is always tomorrow, boys. That's the truth. Like, there will always be tomorrow. Trades are like buses. Yeah, you got to pick your battles. I could easily just put on a position right now, be pissed about it. Um, but that wouldn't be smart of me because that honestly, that position was really, and it's not because like I took a loss or anything. We got stop break even. Like it wasn't even a loss, boys. That was a break even trade. But it's like stuff like that, especially after being in the trade for some time, like it's the most tilting feeling for me, at least for me personally. I know tilting feelings are different for everybody, but that to me is just like the ultimate. It's like fucking hell. That to me is the ultimate for sure. Can you pray for me? I'm praying for you, brother. You want that CPI low, huh? Yeah, this just sucks. This sucks. Zooming in on me. Appreciate it. By the way, boys, Bray is on at 2 p.m. Just letting you guys know. $10.06. Sure. Yo, big dog. Just see that. Yo, what's up, Lecter? Appreciate that, brother. What's up, smart fool? How are you, brother? Sorry, boys. I'm just kind of like trying to cool off. That is the truth. I'm just trying to cool off right now. Yeah, yeah, for sure. No, it's not that crazy. It's just like fucking hell, bro. Sometimes my ego gets in the way for sure. I'm like, like I don't like being wrong. So it's definitely an ego thing. But I was wrong yesterday. I was wrong the day before, so it adds up. It adds up. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So it's okay. I'm just communicating to you guys what it's about. You know what I mean? Let's see. I mean, new 5-minute candle here looks pretty bullish, I guess. Looks pretty bullish. I wonder if they're just gonna trap longs, maybe. Not sure if they just wanted to come up and take this high at 21s, or if they're going to drive this higher from here. I don't really have a perspective on it, because we did take the previous 15-minute low. We did take the previous 15-minute low, previous 30-minute low. However, there is just no internal. Long for a stab. Nice. At previous weekly high. Sweet. Yeah, I think they might just want to potentially take this higher from here, but again, I don't know. I'm seeing blind. Currently blindsided. Internal might be the NWOG. Yeah, true. Solid unicorn for a long. Yeah, good luck. It looks good for longs, boys. Honestly, it really does. I can. Yeah, it looks good for longs. I can make both sides, and that's kind of why. You and I. In that last trade you made, what gave you that read? I entered across 2 props and my TP got hit both times. Can you work us through? Cheers. Yeah, I got you. Blindsided by the lights. Yeah. Exactly, bro. Holy shit, ES looks so weak though. Boys, I think I'm just gonna call it here. I honestly don't want to look at this anymore. I'm sorry for calling it so early. Ray will be on for the PM session. Yeah, I don't want to look at this anymore. Sorry, boys. I appreciate all of you. I'll talk to you boys. Peace.